Well, it's real good seeing y'all here. As you know, we are going to put on the Christmas play. Due to the shortage of time, we'll get right down to work. One of the first things to ensure a good performance is strict attention to the director. I'll keep my directions simple. If I point to the right, it means focus, attention, stage right. If I make a slashing motion across my throat, it means cut the scene short. If I make a revolving motion with my hand, it means pick up the tempo. If I spread my hands apart, it means slow down. It's the spirit of the actors that count. The interest that they show in their director. Am I right? I said, am I right?
The emergency alert system has been activated. Please turn to channel 11 for further details. A winter storm watch remains in effect from this evening through late tonight. A wintry mix of rain and snow is expected to develop across southwest Mississippi, the Florida parishes, and the Baton Rouge metro area late Friday afternoon. A changeover to all snow is expected by Friday evening. This snow will continue Friday night, before tapering off early Saturday morning. Snowfall of 1 to 3 inches is possible across this region. However, locally higher snowfall accumulations may occur. A winter storm watch means there is a potential for significant snow, sleet, or ice accumulations that may impact travel. Continue to monitor the latest forecasts. Conditions can deteriorate rapidly in winter weather situations. Slow down and allow extra time when traveling. Practice your winter safety rules. Keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your car in case of emergency. If snow accumulates heavily in your area, do not go under trees or power lines. Even the sturdiest of trees may have looser branches that will give way underneath building snow. If you discover a downed power line, stay as far away from it as possible. Stay off the road it's laying on. Instead, call your local utility company's emergency center. Also call your local police or 911 emergency services.